Okay guys, welcome back. Are you ready for some math questions? Okay, remember some of our math questions are going to be with regrouping. So if you haven't watched the video on how to do that, some of those harder math problems, you need to go back and watch them first before you do this video. Okay? All right, so this one is about an iguana. Ooh, I like iguana questions. It says the iguana ate 45 ants and 26 butterflies. That's one hungry iguana. How many things did the iguana eat in all? So 45 and 26. All right, so it sounds like adding to me because it said in all. So here's 45 plus, oh, sorry, excuse me. 45 plus 26. Now I can look already right here that this is going to be a pretty big number. So I'll have to do probably some regrouping. All right, so I'm going to try with the tens and ones first, and then we're going to do the standard equation, the regular equation. We'll try both ways. So 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. All right, so I have 45, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, and then 26. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. All right, so we're adding them together. So already I can see that I could probably make a 10, right? So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 5 plus 6 is 11. 5 plus 6 is 11. So I'm going to make this into a 10. Whoop. And I have one left over. Don't forget about that one left over. All right. So now I have, let's see, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71. Okay, do you see that? I'm going to do it one more time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 71. Good job. All right, now I'm going to do it with the standard equation and kind of explain it as I go. 5 plus 6 is 11. You can't put 11 there in the ones column, remember? So you can make 11 with a 10. You get group of 10 and one more left over. It's almost like you take the 11 and you cut it in half. One goes down here and 1 10 go up here. You made a one new 10. Okay? So you cut that 11. So now you have 4 10s plus 2 10s, that's 6, and one more, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 71. Okay, now there's lots of other ways you could do it too. You could use a number line where you think 45, 55, 65, you can count on. There's lots of other ways too. So if you have a different way, make sure you show it to me. Or if you did it my way, show it to me. I want to see what you guys are doing on your board. Okay? All right. This next one is about Tegan. It's a money question. Okay? It says Tegan had $65, but she spent $20 at the mall. Oh, that's going to be easy. But if she spent it, that means she's taking it away. So subtracting. She's not getting more. She has less. Okay. So 65 minus 20. Now a lot of you are thinking, oh, Miss Herbal, I don't even need a board for that. I can just think 65 and go back 10, 20 spaces. So let's say 65. What's 65 if you take 10 away? 65, 55, how about another 10? 45. She'd have 45, wouldn't she? Okay, now some of you could do it that way, but if you can't, you're gonna have to know a different way. You can make your 65, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my 65, and I want to take away 20. 10, 20. Okay, so 65 minus 20. So let's see, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. You still get 45. See, some of you did it in your head. 65 minus 10, 55 minus 10, 45. Good. All right, how about with the standard equation? 5 minus 0, you still have 5. And 6 minus 2, you'd have 4. The answer is still 45. Good job. Erase the speedy quick. We have one last question. Who's it going to be about? What's it going to be about? Ooh, it's about a sloth, and it's a time question. Ooh, I wonder if I brought my clock. Ooh, I do have my clock. All right, so I better get my clock out. I'm glad it was handy. Because it says a sloth wanted to eat a plant on the forest floor. So he's in the canopy, and he wants to eat a plant on the forest floor. Now, I'll tell you, sloths move extremely slow. Like, really slow. Like mold grows in their fur because they go so slow. It's almost like they're standing still. So, a sloth wanted to eat a plant in the forest floor. He started his climb at 6 o'clock, and it took 2 hours to get there. What time did he reach the plant? So we have to start with 6 o'clock. How do I make 6 o'clock on my clock? Yeah, the hour hand goes on the 6, and then 12 is always o'clock. So it's 6 o'clock, and it said it took him 2 hours. So think 6 plus 2. What's 6 plus 2? 6, 7, 8. So it's going to be 8 o'clock, isn't it? That's going to be super easy. Let's see. 6, whoop, 7, whoop. 2 hours later would be 8 o'clock. How do you write 8 o'clock? Write it down on your board for me. Did you do 8 dot dot 0 0? Yeah, good job. All right, that one was a little too easy. So let's pretend it took him 3.5 hours. So let's start back at 6. I'm gonna put my clock back to 6. And we're gonna try to trick you. Here's 6. Let's pretend it took the sloth 3.5 hours. So you have to think 6 and 3 hours and then a half. Write down what time you think that'll be. See if you can do it. It's a challenge. Okay. All right. So 6 and 3 hours. So 6, 7, 8, 9, and then a half. So let's do 9. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours. That was the easy part. 6, 7, 8, 9. But then what's the half? What's 9 o'clock plus a half of an hour? Yeah, remember half an hour is 30 minutes. Whoop. So he would arrive at 9:30. Write 9:30 on your board. Did you get 9 dot dot 30? Now don't put a 6, that's not what it is. It's 9:30. You guys know that. Good job. All right. Don't forget to work on some clocks. You can go back and watch our videos on our playlist if you forgot how to do clocks or you're having any trouble with them, okay? But you really should be easily be able to tell me o'clock and 30 for sure, okay? Yeah. All right, that's our lesson for today. I hope you enjoyed it and keep learning.